Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to be doing another video of Muaaz Adventures. We had just had a ball covering our lovely Muaaz Adventures. And what is this ball? Well, that's good because today we are going to be making a Rubik Snake Ball. As this is actually a Rubik Snake Ball. And a Rubik Snake is actually like a Rubik's, but a different type, not a ball one. So this is a Rubik's Snake. And originally it looks like a snake, but not right now because I've turned it into a ball. Anyways, I just want to tell you one thing that I'm going to do in my Rubik's Snake. Let me just turn this into a snake to start all again, refreshed to make this ball. So the thing is, I wanted to tell you that normally in the first step, you always start from here. You always have to start going there and then going down. But yeah, and you can do it any way you want. You can do it from the white side, but remember, don't do it like that. That's the first step anyway. I wanted to start from the blue side, but stay free to do whatever you want, whichever side, but don't ruin it for yourself, like this side. Anyways, first step, I told you this is what you need. Second step, you twist this down and then you twist, Then the third step is that you twist this down too. And you must have this, very long. Now, then you do this. It looks quite like a ball. Then you do this. Okay, now you must have this and then going long, long, long. Anyways, so now you must have this. Now, you don't want it to be like that, so what you do, sometimes this is a hard part for me too, so you just twist this going up. Then you twist this, and you do the same thing. Well, not the same thing, it's a new thing now. Let me just repeat it if you don't know what I said. We were like this before. So we did this, and then we did this. We do the same thing again and again. Again and again. Wait. Oh, okay. Now it's the time for another part. Now this is a new part. You just twist this going up, and then you snap. Yes. Now, what you do, you have to twist this like that and that. Then you twist this round, and then you twist this up, round, and you snap. You do that again and again until you reach this. Now you can't snap again and again and again. So you twist this going there, and then you twist this. No, you don't twist it. You just put it high up and put your strength, your superpower on it. And then, with a miracle, it will become into a miracle ball. Here we are, a miracle ball. Let's see how fast it can go. Let's check the speed. Whoa, that's like 5 miles per hour. Be sure to subscribe this video, like it says right on the bottom. And yeah, assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.